Do you want to hide messages on Instagram? You can hide chats in Instagram without deleting with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide chat messages on Instagram without deleting them. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. You'll now be in your chat screen, where all your conversations are listed. Now, find the chat you want to hide. Tap and hold the conversation you want to hide. A pop-up menu appears. From the pop-up menu, select Move to General. Now the message will be moved to the General tab, making it less noticeable in your inbox. Under the primary section, you will not be able to see hidden chats. If you want to view hidden chats, just select the General tab. Here you will see all the hidden chat messages. This way, you can hide Instagram messages without deleting them and keep your chats organized in private.